Greetings, fellow seekers of the extraordinary. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the mystical realms of self-discovery and personal transformation. Today, we have an enchanting journey ahead as we unravel the secrets of the universe. Get ready to unlock the cosmic code with 3 magical words that can manifest anything you desire through the powerful law of attraction. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we stay motivated to share the best content. This is a quick shout out to a fantastic new channel called Neville Goddard that's all about manifesting and creating your dream life. If you're into manifesting abundance and positive vibes, you've got to check them out. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join the manifestation journey. Let's support each other on this path to greatness. Before we embark on this magical odyssey, let's set the stage. The law of attraction is a potent force that governs the universe. Simply put, it asserts that like attracts like. Positive thoughts attract positive outcomes, and conversely, negative thoughts attract negative outcomes. But what are these 3 magical words that can amplify the manifestation process? Brace yourselves, for the journey begins now. Our first magical word is intention. It all starts with a clear and focused intention. Imagine the universe as a cosmic genie, ready to grant your wishes. But here's the catch. You need to be crystal clear about what you want. Vague desires lead to vague results. So, grab a pen and paper and start scripting your desires with precision. Think about it as placing an order with the universe. Specify the details, the feelings, and the outcomes you desire. Whether it's a dream job, a loving relationship, or financial abundance, your intention is the magnetic force that pulls your desires into your reality. Now let's move on to our second magical word, alignment. Once you've set a powerful intention, it's time to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with that intention. Think of it as tuning into the frequency of your desires. If your thoughts are in harmony with your intentions, the universe responds with a resounding yes. However, achieving alignment requires a conscious effort. Monitor your thoughts. Are they in alignment with your goals? Cultivate positive emotions associated with your desires. Visualize your success as if it has already happened. Take inspired actions that propel you toward your goals. Alignment is the secret sauce that activates the law of attraction in your favor. Now, brace yourselves for the third and final magical word, surrender. This doesn't mean giving up on your dreams. Rather, it's about releasing the grip of control and trusting the process of the universe. Picture yourself as a sailor navigating the cosmic seas. You set your course, adjust your sails, but ultimately, you surrender to the vast and mysterious currents. When you surrender, you let go of doubt, fear, and impatience. Trust that the universe is conspiring to bring your desires to fruition in the perfect time and manner. It's like planting a seed. You water it, nurture it, but you don't pull it out of the soil every day to check if it's growing. Trust in the unseen forces at play and watch the magic unfold. Now that we've uncovered the 3 magical words, let's delve into some practical tips to supercharge your manifestation journey. First, create a vision board. Visual representation of your goals enhances the power of intention. Surround yourself with images and affirmations that resonate with your desires. Next, practice gratitude. Expressing gratitude for what you already have sends a powerful message to the universe that you're open to receiving more. It shifts your focus from lack to abundance, aligning your energy with positive vibrations. And don't forget the power of meditation. Quiet the mind, connect with your inner self, and visualize your goals. Meditation is like a direct line to the universal energy field, allowing you to receive guidance and inspiration. To reinforce the potency of the 3 magical words, let's explore real-life manifestation stories. Meet Sarah, who, with a crystal-clear intention, aligned her actions with her goals and surrendered to the process. She landed her dream job in a competitive industry, proving that the universe truly responds to focused intention. Then there's Michael, who manifested a loving relationship by aligning his thoughts and emotions with the kind of partner he desired, and surrendering to the timing of the universe, he attracted a soulmate into his life. These stories underscore the transformative power of the law of attraction. When fueled by there are obstacles to navigate. Let's explore common pitfalls in the manifestation process and how to overcome them. One major stumbling block is doubt. When doubt creeps in, it creates resistance. Combat doubt with affirmations, visualization, and recalling past successes. Impatience is another adversary. Remember, the universe operates on its own timeline. Impatience disrupts alignment and hinders the manifestation process. Practice patience by focusing on the present moment and celebrating small victories along the way. Energy is the language of the universe. Everything, including your thoughts and emotions, emits a specific frequency. When your energetic blueprint aligns with the frequency of your desires, the universe responds with a symphony of manifestations. It's like tuning into your favorite radio station. Once you're on the right frequency, the music flows effortlessly. Now let's explore the concept of emotional alchemy, the transformative process of transmuting negative emotions into positive ones. Emotions are potent energy, and when harnessed correctly, they become a driving force behind your manifestations. Consider negative emotions as raw material waiting to be alchemized into positive vibrations. For example, if you're feeling fear about a particular aspect of your goal, transform that fear into excitement and anticipation. Shift the energy from resistance to acceptance. This emotional alchemy not only keeps you in alignment, but also accelerates the manifestation process by infusing your intentions with positive, magnetic energy. In the quantum field of possibilities, every potential outcome exists as a probability. Your thoughts and emotions act as the quantum navigation system, guiding you through this vast field. Picture the quantum field as a cosmic canvas, and you, the artist, painting your desires into existence with the brushstrokes of intention, alignment, and surrender. Understanding the quantum nature of reality empowers you to transcend limitations. Your past, present, and future coexist in this timeless space, offering a playground of possibilities. As you tap into the quantum field, recognize that you are not bound by linear time. Your manifestations can unfold swiftly and unexpectedly, defying the constraints of the ordinary. Now let's explore advanced techniques to amplify your manifestation powers. First, consider the power of sound. Everything in the universe vibrates, including sound. Mantras, chants, or even specific frequencies can enhance the vibrational resonance of your intentions. Experiment with incorporating sound into your daily manifestation rituals. Crystals, with their unique energetic properties, can also amplify your intentions. Choose crystals that resonate with your goals and place them in your living space or carry them with you. Their vibrational frequencies can enhance the energy flow around you, creating a conducive environment for manifestation. Additionally, explore the practice of energy clearing. Regularly cleanse your energetic space through techniques like smudging with sage or using sound vibrations. A clear energy field ensures that your intentions encounter minimal resistance in the manifesting process. As we navigate the cosmic waters of manifestation, it's essential to ponder the interplay between free will and destiny. While you have the power to shape your reality through the law of attraction, destiny also plays a role in your life's journey. Consider destiny as the overarching path, and free will as the navigation tool in finding the delicate balance between surrendering to the grand design of the universe and actively shaping your destiny. Embrace the unfolding journey with an open heart, knowing that you are both the sculptor and the masterpiece, co-creating your reality with the cosmic forces. Our community of cosmic creators has been buzzing with insights and questions. Remember, your shared wisdom amplifies the energy of our community and inspires others on their journey. If you have questions, or if you've experienced the transformative power of the 3 magical words, share your stories and inquiries in the comments below. Our community is a beacon of support, and together, we continue to elevate each other on this extraordinary path of self-discovery and manifestation. As we approach the grand finale of our cosmic journey, take a moment to reflect on your role as a cosmic creator. You are not a mere bystander in the unfolding drama of the universe. You are a co-author, a painter of reality, and a maestro of energy. The canvas of your life awaits the brushstrokes of your intentions, aligned actions, and surrendered trust. Embrace the magic within you. The three magical words are not just tools. They are an invitation to dance with the cosmic forces, to harmonize with the symphony of creation. You are the conductor of your reality, orchestrating a masterpiece with every thought, emotion, and action. As a special treat for our dedicated viewers, let's dive deeper into the power of affirmations and visualization. Affirmations are like seeds planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. They reinforce positive beliefs and align your thoughts with your intentions. Craft affirmations that resonate with the present moment, expressing gratitude for the manifestations already on their way. Visualization, on the other hand, is the art of creating vivid mental images of your desired reality. Close your eyes and imagine every detail of your goals coming to life. Engage your senses, feel the textures, hear the sounds, and breathe in the essence of success. Visualization strengthens the neural pathways associated with your desires, making them more magnetic to the universal energies. Let's turn this knowledge into action with an interactive workshop. Grab a pen and paper, and let's craft powerful affirmations together. Start with I am statements, affirming your desires as if they are already happening. For example, I am attracting abundance effortlessly, or I am surrounded by love and positivity. Feel free to share your crafted affirmations in the comments below. This collaborative workshop is an opportunity for our community to support and inspire each other on this transformative journey of self-discovery and manifestation. Before we bid adieu, let's peel back the curtain and share some lighthearted moments from behind the scenes. Manifestation is a serious business, but laughter is equally essential. Remember, the universe loves joy, and your positive vibrations attract more of the same. Cue the bloopers reel. Laughter is a powerful vibration, so don't forget to inject joy into your manifestation process. Now, back to the cosmic journey. As we conclude our mystical exploration, we present you with viewer challenges to ignite your manifestation fire. Design a manifestation ritual that incorporates the three magical words: intention, alignment, and surrender. Share your ritual in the comments and inspire others to create their own. Embrace the power of gratitude. Start a gratitude journal and note down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Gratitude is the fuel that propels your desires into the cosmic dance of manifestation. Let's embark on these challenges together and amplify our close this chapter of our cosmic journey. Let's come together for a group meditation. Find a comfortable space, take a deep breath, and close your eyes. Envision our global community connected through the universal energy of manifestation. Picture a wave of positive energy sweeping across the globe, bringing forth the desires of each cosmic creator. In this shared meditation, we amplify the intentions of everyone present. Imagine a tapestry of interconnected energies, each thread representing a viewer's intention. As we collectively surrender to the cosmic flow, we infuse the quantum field with our desires. Feel the unity, the power, and the magic within our shared energy. As our cosmic journey draws to a close, remember that manifestation is not a destination, but a never-ending journey of self-discovery. The 3 magical words are your compass, guiding you through the cosmic dance of creation. Continue to explore, to manifest, and to embrace the magic within you. You must watch our latest video on the topic. Put this in your pocket and money will come to you. In this video, we explore the transformative teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy and unlock the secrets to attracting wealth and abundance into your life. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary odyssey. Your energy, your stories, and your presence make this community truly magical. Infinite gratitude to each one of you for your energy, your intentions, and your cosmic presence. May your manifestations be as vast as the cosmos and as magical as the stars. We are signing off with cosmic blessings. Until our energies align again, keep manifesting the extraordinary. Goodbye for now.